Today, the Tablescape is all about bees. I have designed a tablescape using the bee theme that is fabulous. Hi, my name is Cindy, aka Z9designs. So let's get buzzing. Decorating with Bees is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Jennifer at Home, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Sonia's Down South, and me, Z9designs. I was asked to join and come up with a theme. And because the weather is getting warmer and the bees are buzzing, I thought it would be a great theme. So be sure to watch, comment, and subscribe to our channels. Be sure to use the hashtag DecoratingWithBees25. Of course, you always start out with a clean table and throw on a yellow tablecloth, something bright. I think it was from Linen and Things. Now it was time to dress it up with a clear glass charger. These were given to me by a friend. I placed them all around the table. Next, a white plate from Dollar Tree was set on top of the clear glass charger. A cool double napkin was put on top of the black plate, and I am not sure where I got these from either. It might have been Linen and Things or Ross or something like that. A golden yellow and black and white napkin topped it off and had the look of a bee. A bee napkin ring was threaded through the napkin, and what a beauty. This is from Temu. Friend. I placed them all around the table. Next, a white plate from Dollar Tree was set on a gold fork, knife, and spoon with white handles were put on either side of the plate. These made the tablescape sparkle. So how about some conversational coasters? To put your Waterford stemware on top. The coasters are graced with a honeycomb, bee, and words that can be a conversation starter. Bold, bubbly, cool, and sweet. Oh, I can think a lot of sentences that will go along with these words. Now, in front of each place is a tiny honey jar and a wooden honey dipper. This is a classic method of getting honey out of a jar. The smooth surface and rounded edges of the honey dipper help maintain the viscosity and texture of honey. The centerpiece was used to also keep with the bee theme. I had a wire beehive in my stash from Dollar Trees from several years ago. I took some twine and wrapped it all around until it was covered. Since it had an opening, I added some yellow daffodils in the opening for a classic look. A small bee sat on top of the beehive for kind of a realistic look. It sits on top of a lighted wreath. This is when I added the fairy lights. This is also atop of a DIY riser and is placed in the middle of the table. A few gold metal beads were scattered around the table. And lastly, a bee salt and pepper shaker is placed on the side of the table, and this was purchased on a recent trip to South Carolina. A gold bee is on the opposite side of the table, which is a place to put the used wooden honey dippers purchased from Dollar Tree a couple of years ago. Oh no, I don't think so. I think I got a few from a wedding that I attended, and I had 4 wooden honey dippers that needed another one, so a friend of mine gave me the last one that I needed. How sweet. Thank you, Hannah. I love doing this tablescape, mostly because my dad was a beekeeper, and I learned a lot about the differences between the bees, a drone, a queen, and a worker bee. Which one are you? If you have liked what you've seen, please subscribe, like, save, and comment. Tablescapes are satisfying and show your ingenuity. I always enjoy encouraging comments. Also, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Threads, and Facebook. And thanks for watching each week. You are loved. And remember, peace is biting your tongue before it sharpens into a weapon. See you later. Bye-bye.